Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove number from Snapchat. If you would like to remove your phone number from Snapchat, open up the Snapchat application here. Then all you have to do is just simply tap on the Bitmoji in the top left corner. Once you have done that, tap on this gear icon in the top right hand side. Then here you will be able to see your mobile number that is associated with your Snapchat account. So you can tap on this mobile number option. Now all you have to do is simply go ahead and enter the new number that you want to use. Tap on the verify option and your account will get successfully verified and your phone number will get removed now. If you don't have another phone number, you just want to remove this phone number, there is a still way that you can do this, which I'm not going to guide you through the steps, but I will just tell you how you can do it. And is that if you want to only remove the number and not add another number, then you have to create a new account using the same phone number. When you create that new account using the same phone number, on this account this number will get removed automatically and you can delete that account and just keep the main account. So trick is to create a new account with the same phone number, delete that account, and on this account the phone number will also get removed without having to add another number. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.